What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and right here we have a 36-inch clamp. Right here, the brand is FASTORS clamps, and if you are a woodworker, this is probably one of your most used tools that you use when clamping up some wood together or doing what you have to do to make it happen for construction. You do get a pair of these, all right? A pair of these is about like $30 something for the 36-inch, and then you have, I think, 24-inch and 18 inches. So, and here you go, nice and long. And we will be demonstrating this little quick demonstration. This is steel, just in case you want to know. All of it's steel except for this little plastic part right here, and then the plastic piece on the top. Turn that, and then you flip this up for your adjuster, just in case for the people that don't know. Flip that up to go up and down, and then you twist this for the clamp. Now, they said this is 36 inches, and we are going to test the integrity of the product. 36 inches, and I'm not moving. You can see the whole thing. I am not moving. So right there, you got 36 inches. Awesome. All right, so here goes the throat depth for y'all. And another thing, they said the clamp force is 600, and once again, steel, you guys, can't go wrong. Better than plastic, right? To go ahead and present this on top. Squeeze the lever right there, and it squeezes in, and I'm going to turn it that way, tighten it up a little bit, and there you go. Now I can play around with the bottom to hit it in. Alright, and now all I got to do is worry about the bottom. Now my wood is warped when it comes to that wood, so I'm not going to get perfectly aligned, and you know 2x are very heavy, and as you can see, I'm lifting with the clamp and the clamps aren't moving. All right, I will also put one on the bottom since we get 2 in the pack, which is awesome. You guys, these clamps are pretty cheap, and I'm not saying like cheap like they're actually, you know, they're like Harbor Freight level prices right here, you guys. This is pretty awesome for 36-inch clamps. So if you are in the market for clamps, this is pretty good. Now what I'm going to do is just clamp this, and it is coming together very tight. Right, and the bottom came together, and as a matter of fact, I'm gonna loosen it just so you can see for yourselves. All right, you guys, I put y'all in a closer view. Now if you look at the bottom, you see this gap, and then as you squeeze, there's no more gap. All right, clamps are awesome. All right, let's wrap this up. I want to say that these clamps are very awesome. As you can see, I even have lift room with this. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So if you are in the market for clamps, this is a good pair to have. And if I do any other DIY projects, I will feature this. Also, if I do a table DIY where I put a lot of planks and try to smash them together, that would be nice to show y'all with this. Just like how I did my barn door. Actually with my barn door, I didn't even use, well, I used clamps, but I didn't have 36-inch clamps. But now we have 36-inch clamps, we won't struggle no more. So other than that, that will be the end of this review. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.